Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or be discussing with you, Mastercard Luxury Black Card review. But first, check a special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to add some serious premium luxury to your travel lifestyle here, the Mastercard Luxury Black Card is an absolute showstopper. Now, honestly, the first thing you'll notice is the physical look and feel. Now, it is engineered from heavy black PVD coated stainless steel with a carbon black back, which looks incredibly sleek and makes a major statement whenever you drop it down. Now, where this card generally knocks it out of the park is its elite airport treatment. Now, you get a premium priority pass select membership that uniquely lets you bring an unlimited number of guests into an airport lounges completely free. Now, that is a rare perk here since most luxury cards heavily restrict your guests. Now, it is also still includes airport restaurant credits, so you can score free sit-down meals and drinks before your flight even takes off. Now, to make it easy to claw back your value here, it hands out a generous annual credits on autopilot, now including a $200 airline credit for flights or baggage fees, a $100 dining credit that absorbs your restaurant bills, and a $120 global entry or TSA pre-check credit to speed through you through security. Plus, your points give you an exceptional 2% value back when you redeem them for airfare, or a flat 1.5% for straight cash back. Now, just a quick heads up here on the flip side. It does carry a heavy $699 annual fee that doesn't feature a standard upfront sign-up bonus, meaning if you rely on using its ongoing luxury perks to break even if you travel a few times a year with family or friends and love unlimited free lunch, dining, and luxury hotel upgrades here, it serves up a genuinely seamless elite experience that is a ton of fun to have in your wallet. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.